Ever pondered about the gear you need to kickstart your journey in travel vlogging? Well, here's a comprehensive guide to help you get started. Firstly, a camera is the heart of your vlogging setup. A mirrorless or DSLR camera with robust video capabilities is a great starting point. Look for features such as 4K video recording and manual controls for exposure settings. Remember, the camera you choose should align with your needs and budget. Secondly, to achieve stable shots, a sturdy tripod is a must. A lightweight compact tripod is ideal for travel. Look for a tripod with adjustable legs and a ball head for versatile shooting angles. Thirdly, don't underestimate the power of good audio. An external microphone, specifically a shotgun microphone, can significantly improve your audio quality. It reduces background noise and captures clear audio from a specific direction. Make sure it's compatible with your camera's input. Fourthly, while on the move, you might not always have access to charging points. Hence, carrying extra batteries and high-capacity memory cards is a smart move. Next, consider carrying a variety of lenses if your camera allows lens changes. A wide-angle lens is perfect for capturing breathtaking landscapes, while a prime lens works well for portraits and detail shots. For those smooth, cinematic shots while moving, a gimbal or stabilizer is essential. This device helps to counteract your hand's natural movements, resulting in professional-looking, steady footage. Adding a drone to your gear list can elevate your travel vlogs to new heights. But remember to research local regulations and flying restrictions before you fly. A powerful laptop with sufficient storage and RAM is necessary for video editing. Choose one with a dedicated graphics card to handle video rendering smoothly. Don't forget to install a video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Back up your footage regularly on a portable hard drive. This will free up space on your memory cards and provide a safety net in case of data loss. Lighting is crucial. A small LED light can illuminate subjects during interviews or in low-light environments. Invest in a durable, weather-resistant backpack or bag designed to carry camera gear. Look for compartments and dividers to keep your equipment organized and protected. A high-capacity power bank will keep your devices charged, including your camera, phone, and laptop. Finally, a lens cleaning kit is a small but vital addition to your gear list. It helps maintain the clarity of your camera lens. Each piece of gear serves a specific purpose and adds value to your travel vlogging experience. Customize your selection based on your style, preferences, and the kind of content you want to create. Happy vlogging!